students, welcome to my science class. Today I am taking science for second standard. As we know, I am a teacher from Solar High School. So we are continuing the SA1 question as SA1 question. From earlier last two classes, day 19 and day 20, we had covered the question and answers and some objective and diagrams part. Today I am going to continue giving some remaining bits. After that, today will be the last class. Next week onwards, you have a SA1 exam. So now I am going to continue next bit, true and false. True or false? True or false? First one, bones give shape. Bones give shape to our body. Is that bones give shape to our body? Yes, it is true. Because if we don't have a bones, only flesh is there, only muscles is there, veins is there, can our body will be stand in a position, standing position or sitting? Without bone, we can't stand, we can't sit properly, we can't give the shape to our body. Due to the bones only our body gives shape to our body. That is true, because bones give shape to our body. Yes, bones only give the shape to our body. That is true. Answer is true. Second one, we can stand straight. We can stand straight even without the skeleton. You know what is skeleton, children? Skeleton means the framework of a bone. All the bones from the head to till the toe, that is called framework of the bone. Whatever the designing part of the bone, it's called that skeleton. It's nothing. It is all bones are joined with each other. That's why it is called framework of a bone. It's called skeleton. So we can stand straight even without skeleton? No. If we don't have a bones, what is skeleton? In this we have a bones. If that bones are there, that hard bones give the support to our body, then only we can stand straight. So the answer is false here. Okay? Without skeleton we can't stand. Bones and muscles are give shape to our body and they make them work also, make them move also. So they both are dependent with each other. So without bones we cannot stand straight. Okay. Third one, bones are the soft inner body parts. What are bones? You know, bones are hard. So here what they are asking, bones are soft. So what is the answer here? It is false. No, our bones are not soft, our bones are hard. The hard part in our body, it's called bones. So the bones are soft, they are asking. So it is not correct. It is wrong. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, we cannot bend our body. We cannot bend our body around the joints. See, what is the joints? Joints are the place where two or more bone joints together. That are called joints. So wherever we have a joints in our body, like in a neck, if you see in our wrist, then only we have a joint is there. Wherever joint is there, then only that part we can bend easily. Here we don't have a joint, so we can't bend here. That's why it is straight it is. So here, according to the question, we cannot bend our body around the joint. We cannot bend. We can bend our body around the joint. Wherever joint is there, we can bend the body. So Here cannot they are saying it is false because wherever joints are there, we can easily bend the body. Cannot bend, they are saying, so the answer is false. We can bend the body wherever joints are there. Muscles help us move our bones. See, muscles help us move our bones. Both are dependent with each other. Due to that, muscles and the bones, that we can easily move our body. So muscles help us move our bone. Yes, it is true. With that, muscles inside bones are there. We can easily move the muscles and bones also. Okay. So I am going to moving to the next question. So what is the next one? We get food only from animals. What is the question? Here it is, children. We will get the food only from animals, they are saying. So no, it is not correct. We can get the food from plants also. So according to the question, is it true? No, it is not true. We will get the food from plants also. So only they are asking, that's why we have the answer is false. If they say that we will get the food from animals, means that is true. If they are asking only from animals, means it is wrong. Okay, do you understand this? Now I am going to moving to the next one. Seventh one. Food items such as rice and wheat are called energy giving food. As you know, children, that the food components is divided into three types. That is, one is energy giving food, body building food and protective food. So what are the food we will get the energy? So rice and wheat is the energy giving food. That's why the answer it is true. Now the another question is that I will repeat you like meat and fish are called body building food. Yes, the answer is true, because like fish, chicken, meat, mutton, all these are body building food, and egg, milk also. So these are called body building food. Another one is that ninth one. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. So it is correct, because from the fruits and vegetables, whenever we will take in a meal in our daily food component, so we will get protect. From where you will get protect? You will protect to not to fall sick, not to fall ill. They will make you protect to not suffer from any diseases. That's it's called fruits and vegetables are called protective food. So these are the two answers are correct. Okay. Now I am moving to the next one. Yes. Ninth one. Bones are hard and stiff. As you know that bones are hard. That is, it is true. Correct. Bones are hard only. Okay. Next one. Okay. Here I am going to giving you the another one. bones help us to move. Is that only bones will help us to move? No. Bones and muscles all together they will help us to move. So that is the answer is correct. So I have finished here. You have 10 true and false. From this two chapters together I am going to combining and given you. Now I am going to moving to the next bit. Match the following. Match the following. Okay, now we are moving to the next bit, match the following. Now the first one is rice and wheat. Then here we have to make the bracket and here a body building. Okay, now second one is X. Here be morning. Fine. Now the third one is fruits. See here. Okay. Night. Fourth one breakfast. Breakfast. Then D one is energy giving. Energy giving. Now the fifth one is dinner. There is A, B, C, D, E. The protective. So here you can match from left column A to column B. So here rice and wheat. What is the rice and wheat give us? It gives energy. Energy giving food. So what is this alphabet is D. Okay. Now X. What is the use of X? If we drink milk and eat egg, it will grow your body. So that is bodybuilding food. So what is this? A1. Fruits. If we eat fruits, what I told you just now that it will protect us. So it is a protective food. So answer is here E. Now the breakfast. When you will take your breakfast in the night or in the morning or in the lunch. Breakfast means what you will eat in the morning. So that is called breakfast. So here you have matching with morning. B. Now dinner. When you will take dinner in the night. So what is the night letter is C. So the answer is D, A, E, B, C. So this is one. More 5 are there. I am going to continue. Okay. So you can easily do in the essay 1 test also. So here next one. Another 6th one. Framework. Soft. Framework is soft. Now the 7th one, bones. So what is the bones? Elbow. Here I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4 again, one more table. Okay. Do separate this. It could be easy for you to do it. This is from another lesson. Muscles. Now C. What is the C? Strong bones and muscles. Okay. Now the fourth one is joint. What is the joint? It is skeleton. Now the fifth one is exercise. Exercise. What do you mean of last one fifth is? It is the heart. Last one is heart. So you have understand here. What is framework? Framework of a bone is called skeleton. So what is the letter of skeleton is D. Its framework is matching with D. Bones. Bones are hard or soft? elbow? No. Strong bones and muscles? No. Bones are hard. So we have which one it is matching? On the letter E. So we can write E. Muscles are soft, matching with A. Okay. Joint. What is the joint? The way the two or bones are joined together, that is called joint. Elbow joint, wrist joint, neck joint. These all joint names are there. So here they are showing the name of elbow. This is also a joint. So joint is matching with elbow. Now I am coming to the exercise. What will happen if you do exercise? Exercise, if we do, we will become strong bones and muscles. Our bones and muscles will become strong. So it is matching with C. So I hope you have understood all the bits, because in my previous classes, day 19 and 20, I have discussed about the one word answer, write to examples and some diagrams. So, and in another 20th day of that class, I have given the question and answers plus concept map remaining this. And after that, now I have completed this today to objective part, that match the following and true and false. So I hope you understand this bit, some diagrams and the concept map, all this. So till that I am going to stop in here. Our essay 1 question is completed here. Essay 1 completed. Here our essay 1 is completed. So all of you complete this work, whatever I am giving you in essay 1, because this also we will check in essay 1 result time. Don't miss all the bits, whatever I am covering in this bits, and complete this work and learn, and honestly attempt essay 1 test. Till that, I hope you stay home, stay happy and stay safe at home. I'll see you after essay 1 test. Then again we will move forward to our next formative assessment. Till then, bye bye.